Okay, same FRQ, new question. At what time is the amount of sand on the beach lowest? A minimum. So that's a min-max theorem problem. So I'm looking for when the amount of sand. So from what I did on the previous part, I was using A of t to represent my amount of sand. So I want to know when A of t is, so this is A for this problem. So A is going to be lowest at a relative min or at the endpoints of A. The key thing is I've got to focus on studying the derivative. So I've got to study A prime. So I have a calculator. So right here, the green plot, that's my A prime. Because remember, A prime was my in rate, S of t, subtract my out rate. You don't have to rewrite this because you wrote it already in the previous part. So here's the rate at which A is changing. Danik's chart says when A prime is negative, all these different values of A prime are negative. The rate at which the sand on the beach is changing is a negative number. So when A prime is negative, A is going down. When A prime is positive, A is going up. So I need to justify my answer. So what I write, let's copy this over. Okay, so what I'm going to write, let's get rid of a few things here. I don't need this anymore. Okay, so what I write is, looking at my calculator again, I need to find this time right here. So that's second trace, that's a 0. Need to get on the green curve. Move a little bit left of the 0. Move a little bit right. .118. So I write on my paper, make sure this says 0. I write 4 times 0 up to 5.118. A prime of t is negative. So A of t is decreasing. And you say 4, 5.118 times 6, A of t is increasing. So, shoot. Back up there. So A prime of t is positive. Come on. So A of t is increasing. Therefore, A of t is, or has a minimum, has A of t is least. I guess I kind of like to use their words. A of t, the amount of sand on the beach is a minimum. At t equal 5.118 hours. if you find this time, but you don't have the right justification, they'll give you one of the 3 points. There are 3 points possible. If you find this time and you have these 2 statements written out correctly, so here's the one statement, here's the other, then you'll get the other 2 points for a total of 3 points.